Hey guys, it's Nuka the neighbor here, and you can probably hear it, but the creek's really running. I mean, it is really running. So much so that... Oh, this is kind of moving. It'd be a shame if I drop my phone in there. But I'm gonna guess that there's something up there. Maybe. If not, cool. If so, wah. Yeah, this is going a bit higher than usual. And again, we have been getting a lot of rain. Yeah, naturally it's going to be a bunch of cold water. So, let's, hike up here and see, maybe, if there's anything impeding its flow. This is very dangerous and I would not recommend doing this. Oh, that's what's happening. Just a massive amount of water. That's all this is. That's an amount of water with nowhere to go. The best thing I can do right now is alleviate some of the flooding. Which, first of all, yuck. Yuck. I wouldn't even attempt to cross at this point. And there seems to be some things left of this. There we go. Make it a bit more accessible. Just a lot of... Okay, nice and cold. Fun. Just a massive volume of water that this creek is not built for. Is literally all this is. But why is this cresting, is what I want to know. Why is it having the waterfall effect? Oh yeah, I brought my big stick. And, oh, all this is rotting. That's good. Get back to the environment. Yeah, guys, here's why this is all dangerous. This water is really moving. I'm actually having trouble filming and staying balanced. But it's at least this deep all the way through. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend crossing it. I mean, unless you have God level land. Which, as you all know, I do not. But There we go. Open up that gap. Alleviate some of the flooding here. And perfect. We've alleviated 2% of the flooding. This stick is not a light stick, just so you guys know. But, yep. Creek is flooding again. Fun. Yeah, you guys can see where all the rocks came from. Over in here. And, yeah. Well, because over here it's nice and peaceful. Just over there, it's all loud. So, I'm probably going to end the video here. Thanks for the subs, I guess. But why do you guys watch this crap? I tell you unsubscribe every single time. Anyway, until next time. Peace.